Hello family and welcome to another vlog from Dominguero. Today we are going to be doing a vlog that many of you had asked for after having made the video of a day with a multimillionaire with Dr. Conrad. The video reached exactly 5 million views in just 1 month, so today we'll do part 2, which is going to be with a Spaniard who is a former poker player, and you will see that he is a completely different profile. He arrived in Dubai 5 years ago, starting from nothing. Today, he has built an empire. Without further delay, I'll introduce him to you now. Alex, I'm coming for you. This is what I call a grand welcome.
What's up, Sunday driver?
Ready for an action-packed day?
Ready.
This is Mr. Alex, an entrepreneur and poker enthusiast. Today we'll document a day in the life of a billionaire. We're going to be looking at his businesses, what he likes to do in terms of leisure, investments, etc. And then getting to know him personally. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. Besides, I see that you're very well equipped. We have several jewels here, and I've been told that you have something quite special here in the Porsche, don't you?
Could it also be in the other one? Let's play a little game. You have to guess which car it's in. If you can't guess which car it's in, the Sunday drivers are going to be left without a gift. So everything depends on you.
Well, I think it's in the Forge, isn't it?
Shall we see?
Let's see if it's luck. Let's see what the box has in store for us. This already seems like a television show. Sunday goers, you're fortunate. Alex has decided that if you support this video, he's going to give away none other than this iPhone, the XS, with 64 gigabytes. So all you have to do is follow him on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. Exactly. Well, the more you participate, the more chances you'll have. So, what will be the first meeting? The first meeting?
I think we should first go to the stock market to earn a little bit of money and show you guys that you can also win these cars with effort and a lot of work.
Perfect. Well, let's see what it's all about. Trading, let's see what stock investing is all about and which car we're going to choose for such action.
Well, I think first we should take the Hurricane, which is the one that most sound generates.
Since we'll generate a lot of money, we'll also generate noise, right? Now that's arriving in style. Let's take on the stock market. See you there, family.
Here we are at the Dubai market. As you can see, we have all the screens that are showing the stock prices. They show you the price you are using right now. It shows you the lows, the highs, the volume. The interesting thing is to buy something at a very low price and then sell it at a higher price. Intraday trading involves buying and selling within the same day, ensuring no open positions by the day's end when you go to sleep. And then the other is to do more medium-term trading, which is to buy a stock to hold it for days, weeks, or even months or years. It depends on the type of trader you are.
In fact, there are many platforms on the internet that are a kind of demo that allows you to trade for free with money, virtually. So, before you start trading, we recommend that you use this type of platforms to learn a bit before investing your own money.
Look, this is the operation I did a couple of weeks ago, where I went short on oil because I thought it was going to go down. It broke a significant support, collapsing from $80 to about $50. So it was a quick operation with a 20% profit. We entered right as the signal indicated a broken support. Once it reached the next support, I closed the entire position. We take the profit, and honestly, we're very happy. I prefer to make trades that are going to have a higher percentage of going well. High, but they take more time. So it was 2 weeks.
He only invests in what he knows will grow, even if it's for the long term, as long as it's a sure thing. He is confident in these markets within his knowledge. More risk equals more profit for him. 20% in 2 weeks is quite good. Well done.
Thank you.
The important thing to make money in trading is to be very informed about the market, about trends. For example, as I said earlier, you always have to make sure that something is low and that you know and trust that it will rise in the short or long term. The key is to buy low and sell high. It's an interesting market. Comment if you want more details. So let's continue and go to the next meeting, shall we? The next meeting will cover investments in luxury cars. See you at the next one. See you later. Wow, we're really in a hurry. Well,
Traffic is heavy. We might not arrive on schedule. In this case, we can only do one thing. Go by helicopter. What do you think?
well, let's go. We're in front of an iconic car, perfect for this occasion. It's for you to explain the investments you make in cars. And, well, also, what are your expectations about it?
This car is a great long-term investment because Porsche only made 1,270 units of this model. Many have crashed already, such as Paul. He from the Fast and Furious movie, who died in one of them. So it's becoming more and more limited. It's a manual car. It's the best car Porsche has ever made. So will this car increase in value in 10 to 20 years?
This car is a prime example of one that will appreciate in value over time due to its increasing rarity on the market. It's truly a gem to have a car that you can enjoy while it also increases in market value. It's the perfect hobby. In fact, Alex currently owns 4 cars in his collection and plans to expand it further. So I'm looking forward to seeing it personally and will probably show it to you in future vlogs, so stay tuned. In the next meeting, we are going to see a clear example of how to invest in the real estate sector of goods and roots.
Here we see the land.
Let's see what it's about. What a view! We are in one of the most iconic, pioneering, and exclusive locations of all, Dubai. We are none other than the famous artificial palm of Dubai. As you can see, here we have the iconic views of Dubai Marina. We have iconic views of what will be the world's largest new Ferris wheel. We also have views of the 7-star hotel, the most luxurious in the world by Sal Arab, and the tallest building in the world, which is Burj Khalifa. So, the question now is, why did you decide to invest in this land and how do you intend to make it profitable? And what is your business model?
What I enjoyed about the Palm is its uniqueness. It's a place that exists only here and nowhere else in the world. Tell me, where else can you be on the Palm with your private beach seeing all these views of the buildings? Besides, it's very quiet here all day. And then, the best part of all is that now in Dubai, the price of construction, land, houses, in recent years, prices have fallen by as much as 50%. So it's a very good time now to buy cheap, to get builders to do the work cheaper.
Is to take advantage of the market situation. As previously mentioned, we are currently in a time where real estate, the property sector, is cheaper than a few years ago. Therefore, Dubai has prospects of increasing in value. So is now an ideal time to buy. It will handle its own construction, eliminating third parties and significantly reducing the overall construction costs. And what if he wants to resell it in the future? He's going to make sure to invest in materials that are completely different from all the other houses in order to give it added value and sell it at a higher price, not only because of the materials, not only because of the house, but also because we have expectations that this land will increase in value in a few years. So of course, I wish you much more luck. I'm eager for you to start the construction and I'm eager to inaugurate it. And of course, it has spectacular views here, private beach, and of course some neighbors too who are going to be very up to par. Therefore, the networking level is going to be spectacular.
Also, what I want to do here, I want to make the best house, the best mansion in all of Palm. The Sheikh's palaces are an exception, with expansive 6,000 square meter lands and stunning villas. Excluding all those other houses, this is intended to be the best one. If everything goes well, then it's going to be unique, exclusive, and that's the idea of what is sold here in Dubai.
To stand out, offer exclusive products that drive people to buy from you quickly, as many are drawn to unique offerings. Copy-paste, copy and paste. Therefore, the thing is to do something different from others, as we always say. And therefore, you will differentiate yourself from the market, and that will increase your market value.
Everything will look best from the attic to throw good parties there, maybe. We might bring some Sunday visitor around here.
Exactly. If you show some love to this video, maybe we'll have a Sunday visitor to give us a like. So in the last meeting, we're going to do some networking and we're going to get serious about how to achieve financial freedom. A good balance between personal and professional life is essential, not just business. What's better than a yacht ride around Dubai Marina to see the skyscrapers and disconnect? In fact, this is something we like to do at least once a week because obviously it also disconnects us from the business level. Let's exchange ideas and talk about our personal lives. So let's have a good time. Are you ready, Captain?
Ready? Let's go. Go ahead, pass it.
We are in Dubai Marina, one of the world's most exclusive marinas, renowned for its yachts. Many of the boats here are owned by the royal family, which gives you an idea of the level here. What was one reason you decided to have a boat here in Dubai?
The main reason is the very good weather every day and impressive climate, except in summer. And it's a very good way to network, to invite friends, have a good time, and take a break from people to life in the sea.
Of course, it's a perfect way to entertain your guests, your clients, and finalize a good $1 million transaction. Since we're here, let's toast to your achievements and successes. Thank you. And well, for those people who are watching us, who are starting to become entrepreneurs, who are young, who are studying, or simply going through a rough patch in their life, what would you recommend for them to succeed and to triumph in business?
The most crucial advice is that the earlier you begin saving, the better. I know it's very nice to spend money and enjoy it, but it's much better to first save it for yourself, to keep saving it. Then you invest it in starting your own business or trading, dedicating it to investing in the stock market. Or for any other activity, always to make it grow. If you spend money before growing it, you will never have a large sum. Exactly, that is.
Obviously, everyone starts from zero. Don't you think you're going to grow overnight? Are you going to be multimillionaires? And obviously, to make money, you have to invest. And little by little, what you invest, don't spend it, but reinvest it. And that's how you grow, but obviously, don't risk all your money. Keep your feet on the ground and don't get carried away by short-term success. Focus on the long-term instead.
Yes, it's best to have a 5 or 10 year plan because we always set the plan of what we're going to achieve this year. And we always stay. We ask for too many things, but then for 5 or 10 years, we fall very short. We need to be more demanding.
So, I hope that these tips and this experience from Alex serves you as experience and you can apply it in your lives. I'm sure that with hard work, everything is possible. Do you believe success is due to luck or that anyone can succeed through effort?
I believe that success is not luck, that one seeks success oneself. It's what you work on every day, the perseverance, the ideas you have, and not giving up, because it may be that for years nothing comes out for you. People are very negative. They tell you you're never going to achieve it, it's impossible, and coincidentally, the people who have become the richest have always achieved it. When they were 40 or 50 years old, I mean, I haven't pushed to the limit, but you have to work every day to achieve success. Be consistent, have a long-term idea, at least 5 or 10 years, and keep working and constantly evolving. And work on it.
Success does not come spontaneously. It can come at any time. Therefore, you must be prepared, work hard, and step out of your comfort zone. Staying at home won't put you in the right place at the right time. You have to keep moving, and you're going to increase the chances of getting to that place in that moment. So obviously keep working hard and don't give up. So ching ching.
Many Sunday successes.
I hope all these tips and these examples serve as inspiration for you. Did you enjoy Dr. Conrad's video, A Day with a Billionaire? It hit 5 million views within a month. So I hope you also give this video love, give it support. So if this video gets no more and no less than 20,000 likes, we will make a part 2 with Alex showing us more in detail, more of his day-to-day and giving us more advice and answering your questions and doubts that you have in the comments. Also remind you that if you follow us on Instagram, you have a week to write us whatever you want to comment. The more comments you have, the more chances you have of winning an iPhone for this Christmas. So, you have a week since we posted this video. Follow us now and show your love. If you enjoy this, we'll have more giveaways and activities you'll adore. So without further ado, it's a pleasure to have you here with us.
Great to meet you too. Remember to smash that like button for the best Spanish YouTuber around here in Dubai.
Subscribe if you're not already. Subscribe to the channel. Further ado, see you in the next vlog in just 2 days. See you later, family.